Right, so now that we managed to upload a file to the target computer using the low security level, let's see if we can do it if we increase the security of the target website. So I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to go to my vulnerable web. Let's go to the security settings, and at this, before it was set to low, so I set it there to medium, then click on submit, and now the security level is medium. So let's go back to our file upload and try to upload our shell right here, the same shell that we uploaded before. And I'm going to click on upload the exact same way. And as you can see, it's saying your image was not uploaded, and it's complaining about the headers. Let's see if we can upload an image. So let's just make sure that the program didn't break and we can still upload images. So I'm just going to upload the same image, again, the car image, and I'm going to upload. And as you can see, we can upload images, but we cannot upload PHP files. So obviously now the target is more secure. And now we're approaching this from a black box point of view, so we don't have the source code to see what's happening. So there's a number of ways that you can filter the files uploaded. One method is to check if the file is an image, to check the file type. If it's an image, then upload it. Otherwise, don't do that. If that's the way that they're doing it, then we can bypass that. So let's see how we can do that. First, the file is being uploaded using a post method. So to modify the post parameters, we're going to use Burp Suite. I'm going to click on Burp Suite here. So we're going to go on the proxy side in here, proxy tab. And before we can use this, we just need to set up our browser to use Burp Suite. I'm going to click OK. And now everything I do on this browser right here will be sent through Burp proxy. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify our file right here, the shell.php. And because we can upload JPG images, I'm going to rename this file and I'm going to call it shell.jpg. Now, obviously, if I upload this file this way, it's not going to work because it has a JPG and not a PHP extension. So the target computer or the target server, when I try to run it, it'll just try to run it as an image, and I won't be able to execute the code that I want to. So we're going to upload it as an image first, and then we're going to intercept it in Burp Suite and convert its extension to PHP to bypass the filter. Let me do it and it'll become more clear. So I'm going to click on shell.jpg, upload it. Now this upload is being intercepted in here. And let's see what's happening. So you can see that the file is being uploaded. The content type is trying to be image.jpg and the image is shell.jpg. Now what we're going to do is we're going to modify that and set this to PHP. And we're going to leave the content type to image. This will allow us to bypass the filter and it will store our file as shell.php. Now, just to make sure that this is not going to overwrite the old shell and you'll think that nothing got uploaded, I'm going to call it shell2.php. So that's it. I'm going to forward this packet. And as you can see now, we get a message saying, now the file has been uploaded and it's called shell2.php. Now, if we go back to our terminal and use the same URL we were using before, because it's the same shell, same password, I'm just going to call it shell2.php and try to communicate with it. I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, now I managed to connect to the target computer or to the target server, and I managed to upload my shell by intercepting the packet and changing the file name from JPG to PHP.